Hello, this tutorial is going to show you how to re-access your food safety or your food handler account, your course, after you've already redeemed it. So a lot of you asked me to fix your program for you, which I did, but now you have to know how to get back in, or maybe you were able to do it yourself, but how do you get back in? So you're going to go to your login here, right off from the ServSafe website. And then you're going to, and I'm using Maya again for my example. So you're going to type in your username and password. All right. And remember, this should have been saved on the 1.7 document. So you and I have access to that always. All right. So I'm going to go to login. All right. So now how do I get into my class? All right. So I go to ServSafe Food Handler, because that's what you're taking. Take online class. All right. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click resume. Okay. So after I resume, now it goes right back and it will, it should save, because I didn't really start this for Maya. It should save right where you left off. All right. A couple of things to keep in mind. This is due September 8th. All right. If you get behind, this course expires on the 24th. If you wait until the 24th, that's after the quarter. So you'll end up getting a 0. So don't wait. All right. This is due with the test, completion of modules and tests by September 8th. All right. As we get closer, I will show you what you're going to do to take the test. But right now, you're just going to resume. You go through the modules. And then when you're done with the modules, it will prompt you to take the food certification test. All right. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. Thank you.